Hey, welcome back to the channel today, everybody. Today we are in Key West, Florida. It's been a great day after waking up early and getting some breakfast on the ship. We headed out to Key West, and this was the last day that we had cell service, so we had to spend some time taking care of some business end of things. And Cameo and I found a little street corner to work out changing our SIM cards over so that they would work for Europe. You know, that's one part of long-term travel that isn't as glamorous but is necessary, is all the logistics of it, and Cameo does a great job keeping us straight with all of that. So after we spent about an hour or so sitting in that street corner getting everything worked out, we headed out to check out the town. So if you've never been there, Key West is just a really cool town. It is very unique. I always think of New Orleans and Key West as two of the kind of most unique spots in the U.S. as far as just feeling like you could be in a different country when you're there. They have their own cultures, but Key West is really, I guess it's not technically an island, but it has a real island feel. You're walking around and it's real laid back. It's real humid. Can be pretty hot. It was pretty hot this day, but it's just got that feel that everybody I think kind of associates Key West, or a lot of people associate Key West with Margaritaville, and it's got a Margaritaville feel. You got these bars like the Willie T bar here with the dollar bills at the end of the world, and you just got so many little watering holes like that, and so many places to just kind of hang out and enjoy the feeling that nothing is really important and you can just enjoy life to the fullest. And one of the ways that we like to enjoy life is to eat food, and especially good food like this pie right here. It's a key lime pie. You get down to the Florida Keys and you kind of think, well, let's get some key lime pie. So as you saw in that kind of flashback picture earlier, we had gone down to Key West about 6 years ago or so, and we got this pie. It was a key lime pie from the Blue Heaven, and it's kind of a little out of the way place, not off the main drag, but we had heard about it and went and got it 6 years ago, and we all loved it. So we decided to go back and get it again. And you can see we are still big fans of the Blue Heaven key lime pie. But, one of my suggestions for something to do in Key West if you go there is just find a place like this, like Blue Heaven or any of these really little bars and watering holes, and just hang out. This is the Blue Heaven. It was a great place to spend some time. They got a little ping pong table there. They've got some nice shady trees, some music going on, a lot of live music through the town, which we love to listen to live music. So I would suggest finding a place like that in Key West and just sitting down and enjoying the day. And then another point that we like to head to, that's where we ate our pie before, was this southernmost point in the continental U.S. It's kind of a touristy spot, kind of a trendy spot for Key West, but still we think it's pretty cool. We went there when we were there 6 years ago or so. And one thing I will say about the cruise, it's been awesome, but being on a cruise means you're there with a lot of people. So you can see there's tons of people here in the southernmost point in the U.S., whereas when we went there before, we pretty much had the place to ourselves. So one drawback of cruising is you kind of get to the port with everybody else who's already there, and it can make for a little bit of a crowded tourist scene. But really, overall, great place. I suggest if you ever get a chance, heading out to Key West. If you've ever been to Key West, let us know about your trip or your tips and tricks for the town. And wherever you are, whatever you're doing, hope you're having a great day as you live your journey.